This is the story of how Viso changed my life. 5:02 a.m. I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt. Timeless. Classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design. Intelligent features. A refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m. I head out to install my Viso 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with Viso begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. Viso's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But Viso automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, Viso's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. Viso, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Viso's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Viso is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Viso outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Viso app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my Viso 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, Viso.
We want to bring the latest tech to the dashcam market by developing high-quality imaging with 360-degree field of view. We have been working on Viso for the past 2 years. With our agile and precise engineering, Viso delivers an elegant user experience. And now we need your help to make Viso available to everyone. We invite you to join our project and back us on Kickstarter. Thank you.
What makes great luggage? Aircraft-grade aluminum body. Checked. TSA certified fingerprint lock. Checked. GPS tracking? Checked. Numerous other smart features that brings convenience when you're on the move. Introducing Novi, world's first aircraft-grade aluminum smart luggage with built-in fingerprint lock, detachable battery and GPS tracker. We understand what a good luggage means to a journey. We developed Novi BioLock, an innovative TSA-certified biometric lock that allows you to open the case with your fingerprint in less than 0.3 seconds. Containing silk touch linen, Novi also provides perfect storage for traveling and maximum space than any other luggages in the market. With built-in 700 mAh detachable battery, BioLock can work continuously for over 1,000 times and stand by for over 500 days. With self-weighing function, Novi can automatically tell the weight of your luggage, making you worry-free about exceeding the airline weight limits. You can also charge your cell phone through BioLock from a portable battery, which can be stored inside the case. Enjoy more awesome features by simply connecting Novi to NoviTrack. NoviTrack will alert you when you are walking out the predetermined range of Novi and help you find the exact whereabouts of your luggage and its last few known locations. With the detachable battery pack, you won't need to worry about the airline regulations, even if you need to check in the luggage. Backup power port will keep you away from any emergency. Smart battery monitor system in the app will help you keep an eye on the battery consumption. At Novi, we pride ourselves in offering a smart and yet comprehensive solution that will make your journey easier. Thank you for supporting us on Kickstarter.
Mugo Touch is a true wireless Bluetooth earbuds with unparalleled sound quality and rounded appearance as cobblestone. With customized 9.6mm speaker to make it more stable on high and medium bass, it has an inherent advantage in sound compared to other wireless earbud. Bluetooth 5. Instant pairing. USB Type-C. Siri and Google Assistant. The price offered by Kickstarter will be definitely your best choice.
We're adventurers, and like many of you, our deep respect for nature guides everything we do. This mindset sent us on a journey to create the world's most versatile bottle. And that was hard, because we didn't just want a bottle. We wanted a tool, and we wanted it to work for any adventure. That is why we built Model, a utility bottle that can do more so you can do more. Model is a double-ended, flexible bottle that is both lightweight and durable. Made of silicone, it collapses to a fraction of its size so you can make the most of the valuable space in your pack. With wide openings at both ends, Model is easy to clean by hand and dishwasher safe. Model's innovative loop design is unlike any other on the market. Made from elastic silicone, the ends can be detached and strapped over anything and everything, meaning you don't need a carabiner to hook your bottle to a bag, branch, or bike. But Model is more than just a water bottle. It's a utility bottle. As the first of this new breed of hydration gear, Model offers a series of interchangeable caps called mods that unlock unique functions of Model, such as the ability to purify water from any clear running water source, the chance to take a hot shower in nature, and the capability to drink hands-free anytime you're on the go. There's so much that Model is, but there's also so much that it could be. This means we need your help, our earliest backers, to discover the capabilities of Model. In the near future, we will be releasing more mods to further expand the capabilities of Model, inspired by our users' needs and wants. By backing this project, you're not only launching a product, but an open platform, a growing and ever-evolving tool to empower adventure and discovery. It's our goal to ensure that creating Model doesn't come at the cost of the environment we're all trying to enjoy. To that end, we pledge to reduce carbon emissions where we can and offset them where we can. We've already had the great privilege of working with some incredible thinkers, designers, and manufacturers. But more than anything, we're looking forward to working with you. With Kickstarter's help, we will complete the final step of bringing Model to production so we can get it in your hands by October 2019. Will you join in on this adventure? We'd love to have you.
Meet the Hydrate Bottle, a revolution in hydration technology. An insulated water bottle meets a smartphone. With user-friendly software, Hydrate makes it easy to sync to your smart devices. Just pair it once and you're good to go anywhere your adventures take you. The Hydrate Bottle is BPA-free with double-walled construction and no buttons, which makes it safe for kids and the wear and tear they tend to dish out. The Hydrate Bottle measures your hydration intake and uses the information to match donate clean water to those in need through our collaboration with the nonprofit Charity Water. The uniquely integrated solar cell design allows the Hydrate Bottle to automatically charge when exposed to light to maintain Bluetooth connectivity to all your devices and third-party apps, like Fitbit and the Apple Watch. No charging cable or base is ever needed. Hydrate keeps beverages ice cold for 22 hours and hot for up to 13 hours. And it's powered by solar energy. Hydrate's unique sensor is totally different from the other smart bottles. It knows if you're drinking the water yourself or pouring it out for your best friend. The vast majority of humans are chronically dehydrated, which can lead to numerous health concerns. Hydrate's drink tracking sensor makes it the perfect solution for people who need to increase their daily water intake and keep their body in optimal shape. The most basic element of human life can be paired with the unique, innovative, patent-pending smart bottle technology. With your new Hydrate bottle, you never need to go thirsty again.